The last time you visited us,
Yeah.
this is Apoma town.
Uh-huh.
Apoma. Where we are standing,
Yeah.
the last time you visited us, it was this situation.
Okay.
Now, this is what we are witnessing.
Yes. A new lane has appeared, yes.
And then the same thing in the other towns, Jewusijo.
Yeah.
The last time you visited us, it was like this.
Uh-huh.
But as we proceed, we see it like this.
Okay.
That is also in Abuade.
When were you supposed to finish originally?
Next year, 27, I think July, March.
March 20.
March 20.
So you are almost going to be almost a year ahead,
Yes.
simply because this has been made a big push project and payment has been because
Yes,
the reason it almost stalled when was it 78 million?
Yeah,
$78 million was raised as a cumulative 4 certificate and not one cedi or $1 was paid. And it nearly stalled the project because it nearly probably made the contractor bankrupt because that was almost all facilities they took. And then President Mahama decided that let this be big push. So big push does make a difference on a project like this. As a result, you finish almost a year ahead of schedule.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister, for this visit to the top international project. So there's construction of HA Elubu, is 71.25 kilometers. It's being done by Mrs. Top International Limited, Ghana. And I must say that per the commencement of the works, that's reckoning it from December 1st to date, the contractor has done roughly about 5% of the works.
This project, Enchi, Elubo Junction project, as said, 71.25 kilometers. Those of you following us have seen the condition of that road and the conditions under which our compatriots who live on this road live. You saw them drying cocoa, much of what is the economic stay of our country. But you drove on those roads and nobody was even patching pothole, which was supposed to be the responsibility of the contractor. You stopped and spoke to women who tell you the ordeal they go through. Some I cannot repeat here, some actually leading to death. And that is the reason the president prioritized this road as big push. This contractor has been on this road for ages, but even patching the gullies on the road, he would not do it. Frankly speaking, if not that, I've been advised by the chief executive of highways that we need to give him a little bit time. And also, if not because of the fact that we paid this contractor 80.2 million Ghana cedi mobilization. In the past, government stopped paying mobilization simply because of something like this. If not because we paid 80.2, I would have terminated their contract right now. We are totally disappointed. In fact, this is one of the worst situations we've seen since we started monitoring Big Push project. So I am asking the reps of this contractor appear before highways within the week, wherever you are, if you are still interested. He came to do clearing when I called him. We were all started giving him pressure. So he did the clearing and left again. But he says highway didn't give him designs.
We have given him a line diagram because
and it's an existing road. What design is he looking for?
It's all base and base, no design.
He's not showing any interest in doing the work. And you know, when contractors begin to pick and choose, I don't have drawing, I have this thing, it means there's something that they don't want to talk about. Well, they say nobody fears the letter because they think it's the usual thing you do. If I have my way, let's terminate and get somebody who is more capable to do the work. So I think that start the termination process.